Hello and welcome to Code with Juni. In the previous tutorial, we saw this interface. In this tutorial, we will be learning the input and output syntax. The command, print brackets with quotation marks inside, is used to print text to the screen. We can have multiple print statements. Now, in order to take input from the user, we will use the command, input brackets with quotation marks inside. We can type in a prompt to help the user know what to enter, or we can leave it blank. In Python, the lines of code are executed line by line. Now, you will realize the input statement is waiting for an input. Let enter an input and press enter. The process ends with exit code 0, which means the execution was successful without an error. So, the output syntax is print brackets, and the input syntax is input brackets. In the next tutorial, we will be learning about comments. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe for more.